Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitria Laksana Dewi from class 5C. I want to explain my proposal. The title is Relationship between Linguistic Intelligence with Learning Achievement in Junior High School Student at SMPN 002 Kuantan Hilir Basra. The first is background of the research. Background of the research is language. Language is a system for expression of meaning or method of human communicates consisting verbal and non-verbal communication. And the verbal communication, that is a process of the information is changed between two or more persons through the words, and usually in written and oral communication like face-to-face communication. And then non-verbal is the process of change the information without the spoken or written, and that is usually using the gesture of the body like eyes contact. And the function of language itself is tools, interaction, and communication, which used to get information and to give information for people in the world. And next, research purpose. Based on the background, this research analyzed about relationship between linguistic intelligence with learning achievement in junior high school student at SMPN 002 Kuantan Hilir Basra. And focus of the research. This research focused on the relationship between linguistic intelligence with learning achievement in junior high school student at SMPN 002 Kuantan Hilir Basra. And next, the theoretical basis. The first is learning achievement. Definition of achievement. Achievement is something that can be achieved, which is shown in knowledge, attitude, and expertise. And achievement will never be generated as long as someone does something. And next, definition of understanding learning. Understanding learning according to expert. The first is according to Gagne and Briggs. The definition of learning is a system that aims to help the student learning process, which contains the series of events designed and arranged in such a way as to influence and support the internal student learning process. And next, definition of learning achievement. According to Hamdani, achievement is a result of an activity that has been carried out and created either individually or in groups. And next, factor affecting learning achievement. According to Abu Ahmadi and Widodo Supriyono, the factor the influence are classed into the first is internal factor. Internal factor is a physical factor or physiological factor among others, and physical and psychological maturity factors. And next, external factors. Social factors. The first is social factors, the second cultural factors, and the third physical environmental factors, such as home facilities and study facility and climate. And next, aspect of learning achievement. Aspect of student learning achievement is the research on the achievement from learning certainly have aspect that can be an indicator of achievement in learning. And there are at least 3 aspects of learning achievement, all of which can be studied in first series. And the first is cognitive aspect. Cognitive aspect is indicator of achievement. Measure of learning achievement. The measure student achievement, the first is identify the student level of knowledge, skill, and understanding. And for the second, build up a clear picture of the student and his or other interests. And the third, identify what and how the student is thinking and learning. And the next, assess and the effectiveness of the environment on the student learning. And the last, extend the student learning. The next, linguistic intelligence. Understanding intelligence. Linguistic intelligence definition is well-developed verbal and reading skill with sensitivity to the rhythm and sounds of the words. Verbal intelligence shows up in the written and spoken words. Reader, public speaker, and even teacher, and to process a strong level of this form or intelligence. And while almost everyone has some of this type of intelligence, and some appear to be more gifted than others using words in powerful way. And a verbal intelligence test and linguistic intelligence activity are work to identify how well an individual can do this, and then to improve even of the necessary. Next, definition of linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence is involves the sensitivities to spoken and written language, the ability to learn language, and the specificity to use language accomplish certain goals. And benefit of linguistic intelligence. The main benefit associated with the linguistic intelligence is the ability to communicate with others, and communication is the key when it comes to connection with the other people in your surroundings. And linguistic verbal intelligence promotes linguistic learning as a valuable tool because it helps you learn new things. When learning a new language, you need to learn a phonetic of the language, syntax, and semantic. Next, activities to improve linguistic intelligence. Here is a quick overview of the garden's intelligence. The first is linguistic verbal intelligence, the ability to use words well, both written and spoken. The second, logical mathematical intelligence, the ability to recognize patterns, reason, and logically analyze problems. And the third, visual spatial intelligence, the ability to visually think correctly. And the next, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, the ability to process information through body movement and expression and control. Next, characteristic of the well-developed linguistic intelligence. Characteristic of linguistic intelligence: individuals with developed linguistic intelligence usually enjoy reading and are expressive when they note down what's on their mind, and they pay attention to detail, they'll understand grammar and have a rich vocabulary. And since they are always searching for new knowledge, they like to learn new language and are quite good at it. Also, they are usually very good speakers and have the ability to explain, analyze, and interpret things without difficult. Characteristic of linguistic intelligence include: the first is enjoy reading and writing. The second, good putting puzzles together. The third is good interpreting picture, graphs, and charts. The next, enjoy drawing, painting, and visual arts. And the last, recognize patterns easily. Next, factor affecting intelligence. The first is a number or quantity that when multiplied with another produces a given number or expression. And factor circumstance, fact or influence that contributed to a result outcome. And the second topic called high order, from of cognitive concept, information, reasoning, problem solving, and creativity, as well as memory and perception, are related to human intelligence. Next is linguistic intelligence test. Linguistic verbal intelligence test. This, please answer yes. The question below are accordance with the reality show your child. And on the hand, answer no, which are not appreciated. You can see that from number 1 until 10, and then to find your child linguistic intelligence after you do this, I will be obvious which one is the most. If there are many yes answer or close the number 10, the higher and intelligence your child you love. The next, relationship between learning achievement and intelligence. Achievement and intelligence is that they improve the other. In other words, one bull or is often dependent on the others. The major difference is that achievement can be measured more easily than intelligence. A quantity of research substance a correlation of 50 to 70 between intelligence scores or IQ. Next, teaching and learning process. Teaching and learning is a process that includes many variables. This variable interact learner work towards their goals and incorporate new knowledge, behavior, and skill that add to their learning experience. Over the contrary, various perspectives on learning have emerged, among them cognitive learning as a mental operation, and constructivity or knowledge as constructed element resulting from the learning process. I think that's all my explanation about my proposal. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.